AP EAMCET Counseling 2025 begins. Check step-by-step guide to register AP EAMCET Counseling 2025. The Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education APSHA has officially begun the AP EAMCET 2025 counseling process, also known as AP EAMCET, for admissions into undergraduate engineering, agriculture, and pharmacy courses. Candidates who qualified in the entrance examination can now register online through the official portal eapcets.aptonline.in EAPCET. The last date for fee payment and registration is July 16, 2025. Here's a quick look at the full counseling schedule. Certificate verification ongoing at designated help centers until July 17. Web options entry available from July 13 to 18. Web options modification allowed on July 19. Seat allotment round 1 results to be declared on July 22. Reporting to allotted colleges between July 23 and 26. Commencement of academic session August 4, 2025. AP EAMCET 2025 Counseling Step-by-Step Guide to register. Follow these steps to complete your registration for the AP EAMCET 2025 counseling process. Step 1. Visit the official website at sets.apsj.ap.gov.in. Step 2. Click on the Counseling Registrations tab on the homepage. Step 3. Carefully fill in all the required personal and academic details. Step 4. Enter the email ID and mobile number used during the application process. Step 5. Provide your admit card number and EAMCET score. Step 6. Enter additional information like the demand draft number, caste, religion, and other necessary details. Step 7. Once all details are filled, click on the Submit button. Step 8. Download and take a printout of the registration form for future reference. Direct link AP EAMCET Counseling 2025 registration fee details: 1,200 rupees for general OBC candidates, 600 rupees for SC/ST candidates. Payment can be made via credit card, debit card, net banking, or UPI. Also read Maharashtra FYJC Round 1 deadline today. Over 2.5 lakh students yet to confirm admission. Swipe left for next video. In case of failed transactions, any excess amount will be automatically refunded within 7 working days. Candidates are advised to complete all steps within the stipulated timelines to secure their admission. For the latest updates, they should regularly visit the official counseling website. Latest blogs.